In this live futures day trade, we are going to take a look at ticker symbol MES, the Micro-Emini S&P 500. I took a short position for just shy of a $150 profit in about 5 minutes. Stick around to see more. Welcome back to Trade with Resolve. If you're new to the channel and interested in viewing live day trades, platform tutorials, or stock market training, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more. I'm currently watching MES, so notice how we had a big drop to the downside here. So at this point, I'm looking for a potential short opportunity. I'm waiting for MES to show some sign of weakness for a potential trade. Let's see what happens with the price action here. I just entered into a short position here with 2 contracts. Keep in mind with MES, one contract equates to $5 per point. So since I have 2 contracts, I can make or lose $10 per point here. Let's see if we can get a push to the downside. Alright, so the sellers are now stepping in. If you take a look at the volume here, we're getting very high volume on this candlestick. And so I'm going to continue to hold this final contract to see if we can get some continuation to the downside. So I am all out of the trade for a total profit of $144. I sold the first contract for a $43 profit and the second contract for a $101 profit. So this trade lasted for roughly 5 minutes here, so not a bad first trade of the day. I hope you enjoyed this live futures day trade, and if you did, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.